Hello students, in this video we are going to learn problem number 8 of single entry system on page number 349. In the books of Aditya, statement of office, liabilities, 31st March 16, 31st March 17, assets, format will draw it, ठीक है, कैसेट बैंक, stock in trade, debtors, furniture, all these my asset, both their amount will write together. Sundry creditors and bills payable, both is my liability. Bills payable only closing amount they have given to us, so we'll write only closing amount, that is 31st March 17. Similarly, investment is asset, only closing amount given. We'll find it out the capital. How will find the capital? बड़े अमाउंट में से छोटा अमाउंट माइनस करना है, यानी एसेट में से लायबिलिटी का अमाउंट माइनस करना है. एग्जैक्टली कैसे करना है? फॉर दैट यू फॉलो द इलस्ट्रेशन 4 और 6. Now first we'll draw the format till here, that is profit before adjustment. Closing capital as on 31st March 17. Drawing during the year, cash and kind less additional capital will get adjusted closing capital. Opening capital as on 31st March 16 and profit before adjustment. पहले पूरा फॉर्मेट लिख लीजिए, then we'll start doing the sum. सबसे पहले क्लोजिंग कैपिटल स्टेटमेंट ऑफ अफेयर्स से मिल जाएगा. ड्रॉइंग के लिए हमको एडजस्टमेंट्स में जाना है, दैट इज एडिशनल इंफॉर्मेशन. Aditya transfer 150 each month during the first half and 200 each month for the remaining period. ठीक है, so 150 into 6 plus 200 into 6, so we'll get 2100. And for private banking and took away 300 worth of goods for personal use. तो 300 रुपए का गुड्स भी लिखे गया, दैट इज काइंड. दोनों का टोटल मार के बाहर लिख देंगे, प्लस करके नीचे लिख देंगे. Then additional capital, Aditya sold his household furniture for 5000 and proceeds were utilized for business. ठीक है, 5000 का घर का फर्नीचर बेच के वो पैसा वो बिजनेस में लेके आया. सो दिस इज इनडायरेक्टली एन एडिशनल कैपिटल. उसको माइनस करके अमाउंट नीचे लिख देंगे. Then opening capital from statement of affairs, so we'll get profit before adjustments. Now we'll look at the expense and losses. Furniture is to be depreciated by 10% and reserve for doubtful debt to be maintained 5% on debtors. फर्नीचर का परसेंटेज कैलकुलेट करेंगे. 9500 पे 10% which comes to 950 and then debtors के ऊपर करेंगे. Remember what? Closing amount is 22,000, उसका 5% will calculate it 1100 plus करके बाहर लिखेंगे and net profit during the year. So this is how we'll complete our single entry sum. What you do remember in this, debtors जो है वो closing amount पे आएगा. ठीक है.